In today's digital age, having an email account is almost essential for communication, productivity, and online access. Gmail, a popular email service provided by Google, offers a user friendly platform with a range of features. If you're new to the world of Gmail, this step by step guide will walk you through the process of creating your own Gmail account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail sign up page. You can do this by typing Create Gmail account or simply Gmail into the search bar and clicking on the official link provided by Google. Once you're on the Gmail sign up page, look for the Create Account option and click on it. This will initiate the account creation process. Google will now prompt you to enter your personal information. This includes your first and last name. Choose a unique and secure username, your email address, which will be followed by gmail.com. Keep in mind that your username must be unique, so you may need to try a few variations until you find one that is available. Create a strong and secure password for your Gmail account. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Ensure that your password is something you can remember, but difficult for others to guess. After entering your password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. This helps to prevent any typos and ensures that you have entered the password correctly. To enhance the security of your Gmail account, Google will ask you to provide recovery information. This includes a recovery email address and a phone number. In case you forget your password or need to recover your account, this information will be crucial. Before you can create your Gmail account, you'll need to agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Take the time to read through these documents, and if you agree, click on the I agree button to proceed. Google may ask you to set up your Google profile by adding a profile picture and providing some additional information. This step is optional, and you can choose to skip it if you prefer. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Gmail account. You can now start using your new email address to send and receive emails, access various Google services, and more. Creating a Gmail account is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. By following these step-by-step instructions, you'll have your own Gmail account ready to use in no time. Whether it's for personal or professional use, Gmail offers a reliable and feature-rich email platform to meet your communication needs. Thank you for your valuable time. If you wish to continue receiving informative assistance from this channel, please support us and subscribe to the channel.